welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on -6 big friends formula. -6 has only big friends, so there is no confusion of small friends. Okay. Now, we will do the B row first and then A row is your homework. Okay. First of all, where are we going to apply the formula of -6? Where I am doing my question and I won't have enough beads left for -6. I will not be having any beads to do -6, so I have to do something no. So that's when I will apply its formula. Okay. First question, let's see. Then we will see how is it applied. Add 1, added 1, then add 9. Do I have enough beads to do 9? No, right? So formula of 9 plus 10 minus 1, then -6. Do I have enough beads to do -6? No. So formula of -6 minus 10 plus 4. This is how we will apply the formula. Then plus 2. Do I have beads to do plus 2? No. So formula of 2 plus 5 minus 3. Okay, if my first answer is 6. Next, 4, 6. Can I do 6? No. Because I don't have enough beads left to do 6. So formula of 6 plus 10 minus 4. Then -6, reverse the formula. Just what we applied just now, we'll reverse it. -10 plus 4. Then again 4. Beads for 4? No. So formula of 4 plus 5 minus 1. If you remember the formulas, if you are habitual of the formulas, you will not, face any difficulty in doing the questions, right? Next, 10 minus 6. Do I have enough beads to do -6? No. So formula of -6 minus 10 plus 4. Then again plus 4. No beads to do plus 4. So formula of 4 plus 5 minus 1. Then plus 2. No beads to do 2 again. So formula of 2 plus 10 minus 8. My answer is 10. Next, 10 minus 6. No beads to do -6, only 10 is there. So formula of -6 minus 10 plus 4. Then plus 6. No beads to do plus 6, so formula of 6 plus 10 minus 4. Now plus 2. That we can easily do, so my answer is 12. Next, 10 minus 6. Do I have enough beads to do -6? No, because there are no beads to do -6. So we are going to apply the formula of -6, that is -10 plus 4. Now plus 9. Can I do plus 9? No, because no beads for plus 9. So formula of 9 plus 10 minus 1, then minus 4. Again, no beads for -4, so -10 plus 6. My answer is 9. So guys, A row is your homework now. B row we have done in the class. Okay. Do let me know the answers of your homework in comments. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.